back at Iloilo Bike Shop and subong i-tour kita ni Sir Bryce diri lang gid sa may tagbak aro Iloilo nilang shop and subong lang tawon naton ang tanan nga mga bikes of do naton si Sir Bryce para sa tanan nga mga makater nga makuha ninyo nga mga bikes diri. Sir Bryce.
Yes, Sir Fred. Iloilo Bike Shop is located in front of Tagbak Terminal.
Yeah.
Lapit lang kita sa Ceres, pero may mga Robinson branch man kita. Pwede man sa Sports Shop, PH, ara sa Festive Mall, kag sa Rojas, SM City Rojas, and Iloilo Bike Shop, San Jose Antique.
Wow.
So yun, here at Iloilo Bike Shop, damo kita, we do have e-bikes, we have kids bikes, BMX, yung mga usual na mga from 12 years old, from 2 years old going up, may bike na kita para sa ila. Kasunod kita. So we here at Iloilo, we do have different types. We have the full suspension bikes, meron mga hardtails, mountain bike, gravel bikes. Yun, we have different, including the mini mountain bikes. Sir, thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yun, we do have different kinds of bikes here na nyuk lang kompleto. Ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We also have here the folding bikes nga, easy to commute, easy to store. Amo ni mga best seller this one kay di ba subong medyo budlay ang fuel cost. Iba ng mga opisina, amo na subong ginagamit kapin pa mga teachers nga iban. Kaya post lang siya store kag taguon sa balayman or sa opisina.
Wow.
What we have here also is mostly mga road bikes natin, kompleto kita. We have the mountain bike frames, available man kita. Any type of brand, kompleto kita. Kung ano i-request ni client, kung hindi naman nila makita dire, just let us know kasi we can find ways to order the bikes for them. Yun, we do have complete set here and also accessories and parts, kompleto kita. Hindi lang ang parts na itong accessories, depende sa brand nga gusto mo, from entry level and also from high end. Mga wireless nga di Bluetooth na mga group set, kompleto na kita. We have here also is your accessories and gears. We have here your accessories, mga bayot ninyo, mga gears ninyo, kompleto man. Ikaw, labay lang. We have here this one. So, complete mo kita sa mga suspension forks from entry level to high end forks. Mga kompleto kita. Pili lang kamo. So, here at Iloilo Bike Shop, hindi lang kami retail, but wholesale man kita, sir.
Wow.
Want to check our bodega here?
Ay,
So, this is
grabe.
one of our bodega. Isa pa lang ni sa main store namon. Kompleto kami sa mga different brand, mga Trek, Giants, kompleto. So, we also have our repair area here. Hi, sir. Good morning. We also have our repair areas. Then, if you're looking for bikes, kompleto damo sa likod.
Wow.
Babaw, and all the areas, kompleto kita when it comes to bicycle. Yun.
So, mabalik kita to, sir. Let's talk about the Marvel
Sige, sir.
brand, sir, sa bike, no? Nakita ko di kagina. So, sa saan lang ni sir, gin-acquire ang ining brands ang inyong bike?
For Marvel, sir, we
Like this
have
one,
the
huh?
first... Yeah, this one is for Marvel. That's pag-oo naton. For Marvel, sir, we have started the Marvel way back around 2022. Kagin drawing ko siya, anay. Nag-start kami sa steel, sa pinakabarato. Pero we uplift the game. Right now, we do have high-end bikes nga available for Marvel New Era. For example, this one of bikes na Marvel naton, naka-Shimano, nasaya. Tapos, I don't know if you noticed, but it comes the way buying letters na ginbutang naton. Some of them comes with the Iloilo letters, and some are Marvel bikes. Some is we do have here one bike here, sir, na kung diin may ngalan dito sa Iloilo. Na nakabaybayin ng saya. This is Marvel. As you can see here, ito Iloilo to, sir. This one's Iloilo.
So, proud Ilonggo,
Ilonggo bike kid, sir.
Wow. Grabe na.
So, yun. We carry different types of bicycle from entry level dangat sa high-end nyo. Kung ano nyo gusto, just let us know.
For the last time, Sir Bryce, could you invite ating viewers to come in here at Iloilo Bike Shop?
So if you're looking forward for a bicycle from entry level, high-end, kids bike, mountain bike, full suspension, fixie, gravel, road bike, any parts from group set, fork, suspensions, and frames as well. Kumpleto kita, Iloilo Bike Shop. Basta bike, Iloilo Bike Shop. Located at Barangay Tagbak, Haro, Iloilo City. But we have different branches as well. We do have Robinson, Pavia, we have Antique, and for Mega World and in City Rojas, we have Sport Shop PH. So if you're looking also for retail and wholesale, open man kita for wholesale. So kung may bike store ka, hapit lang din sa Iloilo Bike Shop. So yun, basta bike, Iloilo Bike Shop, enjoy your life, enjoy your ride. Thank you!
So there you have it. If you're a business and you want to be featured next, comment down below. Kag again, kadto na kamo dire sa Iloilo Bike Shop. Hindi lang gali para sa mga ga-retail. Basta gusto nyo man mag-wholesale. Kung basta sa mga out of town, Sir Bryce, no? Kung may mga bike shop ka mo, just call in Sir Bryce and sa ilang staff dire. And they would really help you sa dire sa store. So
Yes,
God
sir,
bless
Ken.
everybody and see you on our next vlog. Bye.